Now this time we will try to apply our theoretical conception on kinetic energy. How could we determine kinetic energy? We know kinetic energy can be calculated as half into mass into velocity square or square of speed. In this what problem, it is told that an object is moving with a speed is given 54 km per hour. Its mass is 200 gram. Determine its kinetic energy. If you watch it attentively, you can see speed is given as kilometer per hour, but SI unit is meter per second, so we have to convert. Mass is given in CGS system 200 gram, we have to convert. So before putting the values here, we have to convert these two. Speed is given as 54 km per hour. If you wish to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, simply multiply it by 5 by 18. This is the conversion factor between kilometer per hour and meter per second. It will be converted to meter per second. After simplification, you get 15 meter per second. Whereas mass is 200 gram, and you need to divide it by 1000 to get kg. So this gram will be removed, and the answer is kg. I am not dividing it, just keep it as it is. Now apply this formula. Half Ke kinetic energy is equal to half into mass into square of speed or velocity square. Now put the values. M was 15 meter per second and speed was M was 200 by 1000 and V was 15 meter per second square, so square. If you calculate it, it becomes, here it is 100, 0 will be cancelled, 15 square is 225 by 10, 2.25 joule. As we know, kinetic energy is half mv square. 1, 2, 3, 3 quantities. Out of these three quantities, if two are given, any two are given, we can find out the third one. So on the basis of that conception, let us consider another type of problem. Let this be the problem, where it is told that an object is moving with the speed of 20 meter per second. What is given? Speed is given 20 meter per second. It is given in SI unit. No need to convert it. Kinetic energy is 2.4 kilojoule. Kinetic energy is given. Since it is kilojoule, we have to convert it to joule. Kilojoule to joule. Find its mass. Mass is not given. So let us write. Kinetic energy is given as 2.4 kilojoule. 2.4 into 1000 joule, half into m is not known, and velocity square 20 square. Two 2.4 multiplied by 1000 is 2400. Half m 20 square is 400. Therefore m is equal to 2400 multiplied by 2 divided by 400. You are getting 12, and this is the measurement of mass. In SI system, mass is kg, 12 kg. This is how we can find out the unknown quantity of these three. Now I wish to ask you to solve this problem by your own.